Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech360. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to extract a RAR file on a Mac OS. If this is your first time coming to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe and notification button to get video like this whenever I drop any. Hope you're excited. I'm excited. So let's get going. So actually, in order to extract a RAR file on your Mac OS is very simple. Go to your App Store and type in D on archive. So virtually, Mac OS does not support RAR unzip or extract on the default OS. So you need to download a software called the on archive. It's totally free. I've already downloaded. That is why you're seeing open. So you're gonna click on the download to download it. It's actually free of charge. So let's open and see. It's loading. So it's gonna ask you to select most of this action you want. Exit it because I already selected mine. So no need of it. Let's reopen and see again. So right now I'm going back to the folder. I'm going to open the folder with the app, the on archiver. So I'm going to click on order. So when you go to order, scroll down, you see app, you see the on archiver. So locate where it is being found. But for my system, it's at the first icon. So you see it at under my applications called the on archiver. So select it and click on open. So when you click on open, you're gonna extract all your file that you have. As you can see, it has already opened my RAR file in Windows. These are the documents found in my RAR file. So what I'm going to do is just to click on extract, and all of the folders will be extracted. So it will be extracted to the destination that I've selected. For this video, I selected the extraction to be on desktop. As you can see, the folder now is called ifmhtml-10. So hope you like this video. See you on my next video. Thank you.